Hi, all, good day. Welcome to the session of Preparation Strategy and Approach of GATE 2021 in Mechanical Engineering. Let's see what is GATE. GATE is the Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. It is a national examination conducted jointly by Indian Institute of Science Bangalore, that is ISC Bangalore, and 7 IITs, Indian Institute of Technologies. GATE examination is a computer based test, that is CBT. This examination is to check the comprehensive understanding of the candidates in various undergraduate subjects in engineering, technology, and architecture. Now, this year, the GATE 2021 is going to be conducted by IIT Bombay. The official website of the IIT Bombay, that is given in this table. Now, what are the opportunities after GATE? The first is you can go for higher studies. If you clear GATE with an outstanding score, then you can go for MTech or ME in some prestigious institute, that is like as IITs, NITs, and ISC. Based on your specialization, GATE score, and academic interest, you can choose your favorite institute. Then second is research. Your GATE score is validated for 2 or now this year that is validated for 3 years. If you are interested to go into the research, for example, laboratories, CSIR laboratories, which takes the candidates based on this GATE for the research purpose or fellowship purpose, so that the student or candidate can go into the research with the help of this GATE examination. Also, you can join foreign universities after your GATE exam. If you qualify the GATE with a outstanding score, then you can join the various foreign universities of Singapore and Germany. But for English proficiency, there is a requirement of TOEFL. Then job opportunities. What are the job opportunities? Once you are pursuing MTech or ME through GATE examination, you will be blessed with a chunk of opportunities from many reputed companies. Then what is the importance or opportunities for the private sector by the GATE examination? The companies who are in the private sector are preferring the candidate who have completed ME or MTech through GATE exam. Then what are the opportunities in a PSU sector? PSU sector, that is a public sector in which student or candidate get a job with the help of this GATE examination. Okay, all the government companies, okay, all the government industries, where the maximum government industries which are taking the candidates uh, based on this GATE examination. There is a recruitment that is based on the GATE examination. Then say one, that is teaching job. Okay, those who are interested in a teaching, okay, they also go through this GATE examination by completion of their master. Then in foreign companies, okay, also you may go in a foreign companies by this GATE examination. If you score outstanding score in this GATE examination, the foreign companies is also one of the opportunity for the candidate. Then 100% job assurance. Okay, 100% job assurance is that the student will get 100% job assurance, because nowadays the candidate should have skill or knowledge. Okay, if you give the gate examination and you pass it with outstanding score, then you have a storage of knowledge. You will get the storage of knowledge, and that knowledge will be used for getting the good job. Then last point is, that is opportunities for sponsorship. That is also through this gate examination, such as DRDO, ISRO, BARC, IF, Indian Navy, Army, etc. Okay, these are also giving the job based on this gate examinations. Okay, the BARC and DRDO, these are the institute which are mostly taking the candidates to doing the recruitment based on this gate 2000 gate examination. Let's see what are the list of PSU recruiting through gate. Okay, what are the government industries which are recruiting through this gate? That is ONGC, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited. Okay, the salary of this ONGC is 60,000 to 1,80,000 basic salary. Then IOCL, the salary is given into the table. Then National Thermal Power Corporation, that is NTPC. Then Coal India Limited. Then Sale Steel Authority of India, BPCL. Then Gas Authority of India Limited, that is GAIL. Then NLC. Then SPCL, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited. Then Oil India Limited, that is OIL. Then PGCIL, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL. Then NMDC. Then Power Finance Corporation. Then National Aluminum Company Limited, NALCO. These are the various PSUs which are recruiting through GATE. The symbol is given into this PPT. Let's see what is the exam pattern of this GATE 2021. Okay, the general aptitude test. Okay, this general aptitude test will be same for all the branch: civil, mechanical, electronics, computer, and various branch. For all various branch, this general aptitude syllabus and pattern will be same. So that this general aptitude questions will be there. 10 question will come into the exam. The 5 question that is for 1 mark, and 5 question that is for 2 marks. Then total marks of this general aptitude will be, that is 15 marks. Then technical and engineering mathematics. Okay, there are total 25 question of 1 mark for 25 marks, and there are 30 question which will be there for 2 marks, that is total 60 marks. Like this, total questions asked into the exam, that is 65 question. There will be a 65 question will be asked into the एग्जाम फॉर द टोटल 100 मार्क्स. ओके, 100 मार्क्स के लिए वहाँ पे 65 क्वेश्चन आपको पूछे जाएंगे एग्जाम में. उसमें जनरल एप्टीट्यूड के 10 क्वेश्चन रहेंगे, 5 क्वेश्चन 1 मार्क के लिए रहेंगे और 5 क्वेश्चन 2 मार्क्स के लिए. टोटल वेटेज ऑफ द जनरल एप्टीट्यूड दैट इज 15 मार्क्स. टेक्निकल एंड इंजीनियरिंग मैथमेटिक्स दोनों मिला के वहाँ पे रिमेनिंग 55 क्वेश्चन विल बी आस्क. ओके, तो 25 question that is based on 1 mark, 30 question that is based on 2 mark. Okay, and total weightage will be 25 plus 60, that is how many? That is 85. 85 marks will be based on the technical and engineering mathematics. So there will be how many question? 65 question रहेंगे for total 100 marks के लिए. Total duration रहेगा 3 hours का. Technical section 72 marks as per IIT Bombay in a GATE 2021. The technical section will be of 72 marks. General aptitude that will be for 15 marks, and engineering mathematics that will be of 13 marks. Okay, Then 25 marks to 40 marks will be allotted to the numeric answer type questions. Okay. Then highlights of GATE 2021. The dates of examination, that is Friday 5th, 6th and Friday, Saturday, Sunday, that is 5th, 6th and 7th February 2021. Then Friday, Saturday, Sunday of next week, that is 12, 13 and 14 February, that is 2021. There are two sessions, that is forenoon and afternoon each day. Then it is fully computer based test. All test paper of GATE 2021 will be entirely objective type. Pattern of question will be including the multiple choice question MCQ and multiple select question and numerical answer type question. There is no age limit to appear for a GATE 2021 examination. There is no limit for the attempt. The GATE score validity is for 3 years. The third year student of mechanical engineering also eligible for the GATE 2021 as per IIT Bombay. Let's see the nature of question in a GATE 2021. There will be a multiple choice question MCQ carrying 1 or 2 marks each. Okay, वहाँ पे 1 और 2 marks के लिए question आपको पूछे जाएंगे. That is a multiple choice question in all papers and sections. These questions are objective in nature. Okay, these questions are objective in nature, and each will have a choice of 4 answer, out of which only one choice is correct. Now there is a negative marking for wrong answer. Okay, there will be a 1/3 marks will be deducted for 1 mark question, and 2/3 mark will be deducted for a wrong answer of a 2 mark question. Then multiple select question, that is MSQ, carrying 1 or 2 marks each in all papers and section. These questions are objective in nature and each will have choice of 4 answer, out of which one or more than one choice are correct. Okay, means this MSQ, जो MSQ है मल्टीपल सिलेक्ट क्वेश्चंस में, वहाँ पे 1 और 2 मार्क्स के लिए आपको क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा. वहाँ पे 4 में से जो 4 ऑप्शन आपको दिए रहेंगे और 4 ऑप्शन में से जो आंसर रहेगा क्वेश्चन का वो मोर देन 1 भी रह सकता है. तो यू हैव टू चूज मोर देन 1 आंसर. ओके, इफ दैट इज करेक्ट. And there is no negative marking for wrong answer in a MSQ. Okay, MSQ question. There is no partial credit for choosing partially correct combination of choices or any single wrong choice. Okay, then numerical answer type, that is NAT. Questions carrying 1 or 2 marks in each most of the papers and section. For this question, the answer is single real number which needs to be entered by the candidate using the virtual numeric keypad on the monitor. With the help of virtual keypad, it will be there. You have to type the what is the answer. Okay, जो आंसर आपका आएगा वो आपको वहाँ पे क्या करना है, टाइप करना है with the help of this virtual numeric keypad. And mostly there will be a numerical questions. Okay, numerical answer type questions. Okay, no choices will be shown for this type of question. वहाँ पे आपको choices will not be given in this type of question, in numerical answer type question. There is no negative marking for wrong answer in NAT question. Also, there is no partial credit in a NAT question. Let's see what are the important dates related to GATE 2021. GATE online application processing system will start from 14th September 2020, that is Monday. Then closing of date of regular online registration, that is 13th September 2020, and end of extended period for online registration or application with late fee, that is 7th October 2020. And last date for change of category, paper and examination city, an additional fee will be applicable for this, that is 13th November 2020. Admit card will be available in the online application portal for printing on Friday, that is 8 January 2021. and the gate examination will be held forenoon from 9 to 12 noon, 9 a.m. to 12 noon. And afternoon it is from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. That is 22 schedule. And it is conducted on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. That is on 5th, 6th and 7th February, 12th, 13th and 14th February 2021. The announcement of result in the online application portal, that is within a 1 month after examination, that is 22nd March 2021. Then what is the syllabus of mechanical engineering? Okay, in the syllabus of mechanical engineering there are 4 sections. The section 1 is of engineering mathematics. In the engineering mathematics there will be topics like linear algebra, calculus, differential equation, complex variables, probability, statistics and numerical methods. This is the syllabus in a section 1 for engineering mathematics. Then for section 2 it is of applied mechanics and design. In this section 2 the subjects like engineering mechanics, mechanics of material, theory of machine, vibration and machine design will come. Then third, that is section 3, that is of fluid mechanics and thermal sciences. In this section the subject like fluid mechanics, heat transfer, thermodynamics and application will come. In section 4, that is materials, manufacturing and industrial engineering. The section 4 is the very large section of the syllabus of mechanical engineering, and this section 4 has more weightage compared to other sections. That is engineering materials, casting, forming and joining processes, in machining and machine tool operations, metrology and inspection, computer integrated manufacturing, that is SIM, in which the basic concepts of CAD CAM and additive manufacturing will be there. Then production planning, that is PPC, production planning and control. Then inventory control and operational research, that is OR. This subject will come under the section 4, that is material, manufacturing and industrial engineering. Now GATE 2021, that is conducted by the IIT Bombay. Now before this GATE 2021, when the IIT Bombay conducted the examination of GATE in 1993, after that in 1999, in 2005, in 2013, and now now the IIT Bombay is going to conduct in 2021. These are the years in which the IIT Bombay conducted the examination of GATE. Let's see the comparison of the year 2005 and year 2013, which is by IIT Bombay. If you see this table, there are maximum weightage in 2005 and 2013. Okay, if you see in a 2013, which is a current uh, syllabus related year, that is 2013, of 100 marks papers, in which the mathematics was for 15 marks, engineering mechanics was asked for the 3 marks, then strength of material was asked for the 5 marks, then tom and vibration was asked for the 6 marks, machine design 6 marks, fluid mechanics 6 marks, heat transfer for 10 marks, thermal and application for 10 marks, production engineering for 20 marks, and industrial engineering was for 4 marks. If you focus, if you give the priority to this uh, some of the selective subject like as a production engineering, then thermal engineering and applications, then heat transfer engineering mathematics, strength of material and tom and vibration, if you prepare all this subject, then how many marks you will get here? That is 20 plus 10 plus 10, that is 40. Then this is how many? 15, that is 55. and 50 मार्क्स का एप्टीट्यूड अगर आप प्रिपेयर करते हो, then that is 60, 70, and SOM and that is nearby 80 to 81 marks you will get by this subject like as production engineering, thermal applications, thermal and applications, heat transfer, engineering mathematics, engineering mechanics, and strength of metal and time and vibration. If you prepare uh, this 7 to 8 subjects well, you will get surely you will qualify a gate with a outstanding score. This is the comparison uh, of the GATE examination which is conducted by the IIT Bombay in year 2005 and year 2013. From this you will get clear which subject you have to focus more for the GATE 2021. Let's see that is the overall analysis of the GATE examination. या अभी तक जितने भी गेट एग्जामिनेशन हुए उसमें मैक्सिमम वेटेज कौन से सब्जेक्ट को दिया है वो हम इस एनालिसिस में देखने वाले हैं. ओवरऑल एनालिसिस, that is the engineering mathematics that was mostly asked for the 12 to 15 marks. Now this year it is going to be asked that is for the 13 marks as per IIT Bombay. Then production engineering which is mostly come, okay, and this is under the section 4 as per syllabus, material manufacturing and industrial engineering section, that is production engineering which is asked for 15 to 20 marks. Then thermal and application which is asked for the 10 to 12 marks. Strength of material that is 6 to 8 marks. Theory of machine and vibration that is 6 to 9 marks. Heat transfer that is asked 6 to 9 marks. Industrial engineering that is asked 4 to 8 marks. Fluid mechanics 4 to 6 and machine design 6 to 8 marks. Like this is the overall analysis of some of the subjects that is we have done here as per their weightage. You can give the preference to this subject for qualifying the GATE examination with outstanding score. Then what was the previous year's cutoff? Okay, previous year cutoff. If you observe the cutoff from 2010, it was shown here. Okay, for general OBC and SC/ST category, which is shown here. Now this cutoff is going to day by day increase. Okay, year by year, this cutoff is gone to be in an increased manner. Okay, in the GATE 2018 it was 34.7 for general, and for OBC it was 31.2, and for SC/ST it was 23.1 in 2018. That is the cutoff. If you see here, that is 2019 and 2020 comparison which is shown 34.1 and 34 for general, and for OBC that is 30.7 and 30.6, and for SC/ST and PH candidate is 22.7 and 22.6. This is the cutoff for 2019 and 2020 which is shown here. Means for general category the cutoff of the GATE goes more than 34, and for OBC it goes more than 30, and for SC/ST category it goes, and PH candidate it goes more than 22. Now GATE registrations over the years. If you observe the year by year the GATE registration is increase. Okay, there was in 2010 it was 4,60,000. If you in 2013 it was boost up to 12,728. Then 2014 it was 10 lakh, sorry, it is 12 lakh 7,020 12 lakh 728 in 2013. Then 4 lakh 60,000 in 2010. Then in 2014 it was 10 lakh 33,000, and in 2020 it was 8 lakh 58,030 GATE registrations was done. Now GATE cutoff for PSU. Okay, PSU government industries, what was the cutoff? If you observe, NTPC cutoff was for general it is 72.66, for OBC it was 65.87 in 2019, and for SC/ST category it was 54.31 or 49.19. Means if you observe for NTPC, IOCL in this table and BARC, mostly the cutoff for general category it goes beyond the 60 to 80, in between 60 to 80, and for OBC it is also goes beyond 60. It means the score required more than 60 for getting the job in PSU through this gate. Then SPCL cutoff is shown here, BEL cutoff and GAIL cutoff is shown here. अगर आपको PSU में जॉब चाहिए तो आपको गेट एग्जामिनेशन जो है 60 से मोर देन 60 मार्क्स से आपको क्वालिफाई होना जरूरी है फॉर जनरल OBC एंड ऑल कैटेगरीज. Okay, your score should be in between 60 to 80, means there will be a chances of getting the job in PSU. Thank you. Thank you.